In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Angel from the movie Lilo and Stitch in an easy and quick way. And I'll also show you how to color the drawing. So stay until the end because today's video is amazing. Let's start by drawing the head. Next comes the nose. Add a few little details to the nose. Now the big eyes. Draw the eyelashes. And a smile for the mouth. Draw the long ears on the sides. Add the details of the ears. Now come the antennas. Move down to the neck. Then draw the arms. Draw the fingers. Next, the nails. Now the belly. Draw the little paws. And the nails on the paws. Now just color it in. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.